In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an IKEA credit card. We'll walk through the exact pages to visit, how to choose the right card, and a simple way to check if you qualify before you formally apply. Start by opening your browser and typing "Apply for IKEA Credit Card" into the search bar. In the results, look for the official option that references IKEA credit cards through Comenity, part of Bread Financial. That's the issuer that services IKEA's cards, so it's a trustworthy path into the application flow. If you ever land on a page that doesn't clearly mention Comenity Bread Financial or IKEA's official site, back out and try another result. Once you're on the IKEA credit card page, take a moment to decide which card fits you best before you click Apply. IKEA offers a few different options. The IKEA Project Credit Card is typically geared toward larger home projects and can feature promotional financing on big purchases, which can be helpful if you're planning a remodel or furnishing multiple rooms. The IKEA Family Credit Card is designed for IKEA family members, and it aligns with in-store and online IKEA shopping. Finally, there's the IKEA Visa credit card, which can be used anywhere Visa is accepted and may offer rewards on IKEA purchases and everyday categories, making it a broader, all-around card. On the card selection page, you'll see sections for the IKEA Project credit card, the IKEA Family credit card, and the IKEA Visa credit card. Click into each one to review the highlights, eligibility details, and any current promotional terms. Terms, rates, and offers can change, so read the fine print and make sure the features match how you plan to use the card. When you're ready, click Apply on the page that corresponds to your chosen card. If you're browsing from IKEA's Finance Options page, you'll see an Apply Now button, along with an option to check if you qualify first. The Try First route is a pre-qualification check that typically uses a soft credit inquiry, which doesn't affect your credit score. If you select Apply Now, expect a full application with a hard credit inquiry. A quick tip before you proceed: have your personal information handy, such as your address, income, and identification details, so you can move through the form smoothly. Make sure your information matches what's on your credit reports to avoid delays. That's it. Search for the official IKEA credit card page, review the 3 card types, choose the one that fits your needs, then click Apply or use the pre-qualification option to check your odds first, and follow the prompts on screen.